And the third one just showed up. That's cantaloupe they're eating today. I bought a cantaloupe at the store the other day and cut it. I was all excited about having cantaloupe, and it was like hard as a rock. I guess they pick them really ripe these days. Yeah, right after they're growed, they cut them and ship them. So I gave it to the deer. The one seems to be liking it quite well. That one back there is eating cantaloupe. Oh, they like watermelon, they like apples, they like bananas. The carrots are a good favorite though. But there you have it. I don't know what time it is today. It's 5:28 in the AM. It's a foggy day today, so